Painting baseboards above carpet requires cleanup steps that prevent paint transfer and preserve both the trim and the flooring. After you finish painting, remove as much wet paint as you can from tools and nearby surfaces immediately. For brushes and rollers, use warm water and mild soap and agitate until the water runs clear, then reshape bristles and let them dry flat to retain the tool shape. Wipe the baseboard face gently with a damp microfiber cloth to remove any drips or smears before they cure, working from the top of the baseboard down to the trim line so you do not spread paint. For loose dust and dried flecks, use a soft hand broom or a vacuum with a soft brush attachment and work along the carpet edge to collect particulates without pushing them into the nap. If you spot paint on the carpet, act quickly. Blot excess with a dry paper towel, then apply a small amount of water and dish soap solution and blot from the outside of the stain toward the center to avoid spreading it. For stubborn or partially dried spots, use a plastic scraper held flat to lift paint gently, then follow with the soap solution and a clean cloth until the stain lightens. Common mistakes include waiting too long to clean tools, which makes brushes and rollers harden and difficult to restore, so soak immediately after use. Another frequent issue is rubbing a fresh smear on the baseboard and spreading it. Avoid this by wiping in one direction and replacing cloths when they become saturated. A third problem is scrubbing carpet aggressively and damaging the fibers. Instead, blot and use gentle lifting motions and a soft brush if needed to work cleaning solution into the nap, then rinse carefully. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors for painting and cleanup work, and also helps contractors find new leads and projects in their area. We host a discussion community where users and professionals share tips, ask questions, and recommend best practices for tasks like cleaning up after painting baseboards.